In front of me is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by accessing Gallery app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Either way, hold one of your pictures you wish to get rid of and either use this icon at the top right corner to select all of those instantly, or click Select All at the top right corners. If you want to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. Sorry, misclick. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!